Shenseea is a woman where I say, yo, man forgot about man lick. Zin? But when, as I say, you have other male artists who sing about them thing there. When them just start sing about it, when Cartel just start sing about Sokud and Rere, yeah, you get a couple backlash, yes. You get backlash, for sure. But not to this magnitude, not to this level of bashing. It's like whenever a woman do a man do more time in a society, she get treated way worse. You understand what I say? It would have come at the judicial system in America where like a white man and a black man can do the same crime, but the black man get more time. So in Jamaica, a man and a woman can do the same decadence, do the same nastiness, but a woman get deal with way worse. Yes. So what I don't know, One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, man. So we're there again. I know someone see the title of the video. You understand? Yeah, man. It's a bunch of hypocrisy going with the whole Shenseea thing. You understand? Do I agree with Shenseea's content as of lately? I could care less, you understand what I say? Because I've seen and heard artists done way worse, you understand what I say? But I just feel like this is an attempt to silence another woman, you know what I mean? That's exercising our sexual freedom, you understand what I say? Because anytime we see man sing certain lyrics, we don't hear nobody too jump up, you know what I mean? If people do jump up, it's just a few. But anytime we see woman, you know what I mean? Or shows to them sexually liberated is a problem. I don't know why is that in society, but we need to address that. You understand what I say? It's a double standard we're not to agree with. You see me? So, yeah, we see the one and only Shenseea, the beautiful Shenseea with Jamaican gem. You understand what I say? We seem to forget that Shenseea is still our own. You understand what I say? Shenseea, our people. I would say, we see it drop on the shade room, you know what I'm saying? And we see a whole heap of people that say a whole heap of things in the comment section. People that say, yo, what is this soft porn? This is too much. This is a WAP ripoff. They must say basically it's a WAP 2.0, you know what I mean? A poor attempt of recreating another WAP. But I just want to ask them Yankee people or something. When Lil Nas X come out and I wine pan the devil and the one bag of nastiness, a kiss man and a lick man face and a walk with man and a bubble pan man in the music video. Didn't you guys send him to #1? Zane, Jamaica, wasn't Lil Nas X one of the most streamed artists in Jamaica? So we see Shenseea getting the backlash where me not think she deserve, honestly. Because Jamaica is not void of decadence. Jamaica's whole culture is built right now on decadence when it comes to crime and when it comes to sex. You understand what I say? Both of them two things there is the #1 topic in the Jamaican music. Who can fuck and who can suck with and ray and who can bust boy Imara and left them pan blood clot ground. Shenseea is a woman where I say, yo, man forgot about man lick. Zin? But when, as I say, you have other male artists who sing about them thing there. When them just start sing about it, when Cartel just start sing about Sokud and Rere, yeah, you get a couple backlash, yes. You get backlash, for sure. But not to this magnitude, not to this level of bashing. It's like whenever a woman do a man do more time in a society, she get treated way worse. You understand what I say? It would have come at the judicial system in America where like a white man and a black man can do the same crime, but the black man get more time. So in Jamaica, a man and a woman can do the same decadence, do the same nastiness, but a woman get deal with way worse. We see it multiple times, and this right here is a perfect example. You understand what I say? I think we too focus on sex when it comes to certain things. Jamaica have way more problem. You understand what I say? Shenseea can do and say whatever she wants to say. Now, do we agree with it? That's another subject. Do we agree with what Shenseea is doing? Majority of us, we don't. A lot of us do. And just because we want to roll with the crowd, we will bash Shenseea. Even though we know that the things that we are doing behind closed door is just as bad. Me not excuse Shenseea behavior, nor am I saying, oh, it's the right behavior, but she have all right for do what she want to do. No. When time the man them do the same thing as Shenseea do, it is overlooked. Because why? We are man, it's okay. So if a man say, oh, a girl forgot about my suck good, everybody still say, yeah, girl for suck good. But Shenseea tell the man them say, yo, deal with the kitty away. And all the man them say, yo, me say Foota Hype, and as much as I read Foota Hype, and this is not me bashing Foota Hype, because Foota Hype have just as much right as me for say what me I say. Foota Hype say, this song and Aisha song are the two worst songs ever come out of Jamaica. Okay, so them two songs, one song, two of them are talk about man I eat woman. Zin? So why don't Foota Hype have one of Vybz Kartel song where I talk about so good as one of the worst songs them come out of Jamaica too? Because oral sex is oral sex. It don't matter if a man a give woman a give man. You put in them out on a private part. So why is the hypocrisy only about when time? Why we not practice this thing? We not practice moral values and principle when time is a woman a deal with decadence. If you don't like decadence, deal with it from both gender, man and female. You must be just as vocal as own vocal when you bash Shenseea with another artist. Me a Tamilina one song say, yo, I'm a piss pan girl. When since Jamaican girls start get piss pan? When since man start pull out them hood and piss pan Jamaican woman and spit pan her and them something there? When since? Alkaline call the girl them drunker. When since these things are acceptable in the Jamaican culture? But the minute Shenseea come out and start roar and say, yo, a decadence too. Of course, a decadence. But why is one excuse and the other one is not excuse? Again, me I say we too focus on silly things like these. Did you know that in 15 days of 2022, 75 murders took place? I'm gonna hear nobody bash that like what them bash Shenseea sex life. We so caught up as a people into what how people have sex and where them put them private part and which part them put them out that we are totally keeping a blind eye to the countless murders that go on in Jamaica. We still can't even find Jasmine Dean. Girls still a get kidnapped. Man still a get murder. Police still a carry out the corruption of the politician. Why aren't the Jamaican people just as outraged about these things as what somebody want to do in them bedroom? Why? And I mean, 72 murders in 15 days. Where is Jasmine Dean? But Shenseea say, lick, everybody says, yo, what that? But for bust some blank by Shenseea, what kind of nastiness this mama? Lava! But to hide the murderers in our community. To hide the rapists in our community. To hide all of the people that we have the wrong in the community, but yet still have all strength for Shenseea. No, don't come to me and say, oh, this is another Jamaican culture, because if that is not Jamaican culture, then murdering and scamming and them thing that it's not Jamaican culture either. So why aren't we just as outraged about them fuckery when we are come talk about Shenseea? Oh, because Shenseea is a woman. I believe, it might not be true, but I believe it's because Shenseea is a woman. Imagine, 72 murders in 15 days, and we are more outraged about where a girl want a man do with her pum pum. You know, she said we're crazy. You know, she said something wrong with we as a people. Eh? You know, she said something wrong with we as a people. We care more about where a woman want a man do with her pum pum than our actual country. These politicians are robbing us blind. These politicians are dealing us like dog doodle. But you know what? We don't care about that. Shenseea, you know, if you say Jamaican man for suck pussy mama, what that? Lava! That alone matter to we as a people. You understand what I say? It's crazy. It's crazy. We excuse everything else. But if a woman say, yo, her, and this is not me picking up for Shenseea. Again, this is not me picking up for Shenseea because we were brought up from a moral point, from a moral standpoint. What she did was wrong. But it is just as wrong as the man them sing about girl for so good. We not deal with the hypocrisy and the biasness. Just we keep it logical and reasonable right now. See? We are trying to be reasonable and logical. And I see same thing. Or am I crazy? Isn't it the same thing? Or am I crazy? We see Shenseea popcorn and say, yo, why? Shenseea laugh and Shenseea say, yo, popcorn, let's go easy, no? Yeah, go like say, when you know, say, you do it to my general. Go easy, man. And the man say, oh, you know, but I come confused with your Indian manager. Man, I say, rubbish, bite it. But if a man want bite it or a man don't want bite it, brother, I hear business that. But what I'm saying is that we as a people are too focused on the bull crap, brother. We're too focused on the foolishness, brother. When me say, I'm telling this to you know, when a Yankee, you better come this Shenseea, you know, because I see like when I come this Shenseea, you better come this Shenseea, you know, because you look like when I look for revenge from Shakari, Willis Richardson. Should we deal with her, we want to come deal with Shenseea? Make we talk about Shenseea, Shenseea our girl. We don't want a Yankee people that come talk about Shenseea, this is boring. Now make we talk about it. Make we talk about it, because one of the vex when I talk about Shakari Richardson, I must revenge on her look. I must revenge on her look, because really and truly, the song not that bad. So don't behave on yourself. When you send Little Nas X got number one and Little Nas X a wine pan one and a kiss devil one make a thing, but when I talk about Shenseea song is too much. When you move and get revenge and I look for Shakari Richardson. Shakari Richardson a car run and I saw it go. I saw it go. I don't want no Yankee people that talk about Shenseea song boring. When you move and go, when you send Little Nas X a number one. And for the Jamaican them, we move like say Shenseea the worst. Why was Little Nas X the most streamed artist in a Jamaica? Why? Wanna tell me? Hypocrisy is the order of the day in a Jamaica. I'm gonna like it. And again, this is not me picking up for Shenseea. This is just me calling out hypocrisy. Again, as I said, what Shenseea did, was it right from a moral standpoint? Was that how we were brought up? No. But if all of the male artists them can do it, why can't she? Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section. You understand me? I say one nation and Imara nation. Bless upon yourself. Up move! Yo! I'm going to turn on this real quick. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bells if you can go to the farm. You understand? I'm out.